take this ring? Want to take this ring? There you go. Now you're using your right hand for a change. Very good. Now you want to take this ring? Want to take this ring? Are you going to move it from that hand to the other? You've never done that before. Oh, you got hiccups. What a good boy! You've never done that. You passed it from one hand to the next. Yes. Yeah, and you're clanking them together. Kind of. Here you go. Oh, such a good boy. Gotta use that right hand a little bit more. That blue ring's a little big, isn't it? Maybe we should get you a smaller one. Why play with one thing when you can play with two things? Huh, diaper boy? Yeah, baby. Do you remember that from yesterday? You can cling them together. They make a sound when you push them together. You kicking me? Oh, goodness. Can't see your face. Yes, baby. October 1st, 6 months old.